aren't you? Yes, you are. It looks like we're here. I've got my phone on silent. I've got my makeup in front of me. I've got you turned on. My cats are sleeping. I can cross my leg if I fancy. I've got Pengy as the fucking side man.
4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Penguins of the world unite. Strength in numbers, we can get it right. One time.
It would be me. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully I only need to do this intro just once today. But if you want to see how I've got this look, just keep watching. I think that's all. Hi guys, welcome back. Oh, if you're new, subscribe. If you're not new but you're lurking, subscribe. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. We're going to get straight into this one, yeah? Just keep watching! Okay, so I'm just going to be priming with the Boutique Illuminating Drops in Champagne. Prime and Ready collection in Illuminating Primer. The Illuminating Primer by Collection. And the Insta Blur primer by Body Shop today, just in the centre where I have big pores. So we're going to start out with our contour. This is the Revolution Makeup False Foundation Stick. This is in the shade F14 and I'm just going to start drawing in my contour first. And the reason why is because this has a lot of coverage and the foundations that I'm using today, they're both quick drying, so I don't like it when they dry before this doesn't blend out well on top. So I'm just going to be taking my Real Technique sponge and pushing that into the skin. Ready for our foundation. It will be covered up a lot by the foundation, so don't be scared to leave it quite dark. Okay, for foundation today, I'm just going to be taking a mixture of my two favourite foundations. This is the Body Shop Matte Clay Foundation in the shade Nutmeg, and this is the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 310. And I'm going to be concealing at the same time today because, you know, mixing up a bit. I'm just going to be using my favourite concealer, which is the Revolution Concealer in this shade 8.5 in the centre and 10 to blend out. So let's get applying these. So, what have you guys been up to? Who likes my hair? Oh my god, okay. Who likes my hair? Because I've had this in for maybe 3 or 4 days. Had this hairstyle in now for 3 or 4 days. And yesterday my brother looked at me and he was like, oh, so when are you taking that out? I was like, oh, I don't know yet. Now you mentioned I'm getting a little bored of it. And he said, oh, just wondering because I thought it might be a one-day thing. Polite way of saying that he doesn't like my hairstyle, isn't it? Might put on too much foundation. Whoopsie. I'm gonna start by rubbing that in with our fingers. So nice. I look so nice. Might add the tissue beside me today. That's unusual. The reason why I've chosen to go in with two foundations, is because I love the Fenty, but that's when I want less coverage. I don't really like to go too heavy with my foundation. Like some people can get away with wearing a lot of layers. I personally can't get away with wearing as many layers as most people. You can see on my skin quite a bit. Oh. So to avoid that, just taking a more full coverage foundation and mixing it in. And together they look beautiful, I can't lie. To set our face, I'm just going to be taking the MUA Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. There used to be shades, now there's not. I'm sorry about that, I don't know what MUA is playing at. And I'm just going to be taking it on my Rawr Techniques band. And under the eye. I don't really need to set my face because my skin's sort of changing with the weather. Where the weather's been like wet, not wet, where the weather's been like cold and wintry, my skin has sort of gone along with that and been cold and winter with it. Now I'm gonna set my eyelids as well because they're creasing. So I'm back here. What do you lot think of my pink eyebrows? They're pink right now. They're pink. Get with the times. Marple. No one knows where that reference from. Someone please tell me where that reference from. Because every time I say that in my actual life, people look at me like I'm crazy. So I'm just gonna start bronzing up the skin with my Body Shop bronzing powder in the shade 05. This hasn't got a lot of sheen to it at all, so yay! So yeah, what do you lot think of my eyebrows? Because my brother absolutely hates them. The reason why they're pink is because I did do like a live stream type situation on my YouTube. It's still up. I don't know why. So I think it's because it was a whole lot of laughs for your viewer. It was called fat. Well, fat shaming out here. I mean, that's how I've put on a bit of weight, but that's no one's business but my own. I mean, don't be rude, love. Don't. And they were blonde at that time, so I looked bald. I was out like that at the gym. People thought I was crazy. At the Jamaican shop, everyone thought I was crazy. But it was like the most relaxing time of my life because no one spoke to me. Just to intensify my contour, I'm just going to be taking the Sleek contouring palette, and this is the medium contouring palette. And just taking, what brush is this? A square foundation brush? Rawr Techniques, you're gonna need brands on this. Well, I think I've just ruined it. I'm just gonna be. Oh, this is contour. Everything with glitter on it. Okay. Haha! This has no glitter. Alright. We're using a Rawr brush. Okay, so I'm just taking the two shades I just used, Body Shop and the Sleek, and I'm just going to contour my nose a touch. Just a touch though, yeah? Don't need to go overboard. And then, same mixture of both, and we're going to be putting that in the crease. And then I'm probably going to be taking a fluffy brush and blending it out a bit more. Alright, so we're doing a wing liner, that's all. We're taking triggered by the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. By the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Yeah, let's call it the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I think I've already taken up too much. Oh, this colour is so pretty though. Can't lie, Jeffree. You did do it, son! Woo! She's feeling pulled! She's feeling snatched. I'm just gonna put a little bit of a pencil here. I don't know why I'm in such a mood where everything is beautiful to me. That is really pretty. And we're just taking the same brush that we used earlier for contour, going into the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place, taking B-E-R, B-E-R. Taking Berber on the same pencil sleek brush. Alright, now that's done. I'm going to finish off with the liner again, yeah? I'm going to do my normal, the signature little spiky on the inside of my eye, alright? I was going to do like it with the black, like with a black eyeliner, so it'd be like pow, nah. But I don't really want to do that anymore. I like this purple. Oh my god. Yeah, you're on camera stealing my things. I've got that on video footage, son. So I don't think you get that. I've got you on camera. Everyone will know that you're a thief. Everyone's gonna know, Farrah. Whatever you take, they'll all know. No! I took out 2 sponges, yeah? One was this one, which he's already like destroyed. And then there's another one that he hasn't got to yet, but he's just taken it onto the bed. Oh. And there's my mama. If you heard that thud, that was Isis jumping off the bed. Farrah! Oh, my mask. Come here, boy. Yes, mommy loves you. Yeah. Yes. Give me that mask. Hey. Oh. 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 Oh my god. This was brand new. I got it back. Yeah, if these are eye safe, that means I can use them in my waterline, doesn't it? We're gonna find out together. I'm just gonna tight line my waterline real quick. I've got some on a little. I got this brush from Pound Shop or something. Got some product on the Pound Shop brush. I'm gonna try and smoke this out a little bit. just using Makeup Revolution setting spray, but in a different bowl. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Hey guys! So this is the finished look. I just threw in a quick little subtle lash, little natural lash, little, you know, barely there lash, do you know what I mean? If you like this look, then give me a like so I know that you liked it, you know what I mean? Subscribe, make sure you ring my bell so it goes bring-a-ding-ding. Make sure you give me a like if you like this one. Drop a comment if you have any ideas what I should do in the future. Like, should I do more? Like it's not really, like, I thought this was subtle, but it's turned out fairly dramatic because everything I do ends up being dramatic. Stay you, stay beautiful, stay wild, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure that you don't forget that I love you. Penguin loves you, and if ever you need someone to chat to, I'm here, innit? So yeah, enjoy your day, your night, your evening, your week, your weekend. Enjoy whatever it is you are doing. If you're going to work and you're getting pumped, let's get pumped together. If you're, I don't know, about to go to bed, just whatever you're doing, be happy, be beautiful, be you, because you are beautiful. Don't let no one tell you otherwise. Even if you've put on a little bit of weight and people can clock you, just carry on, innit? Woo! Love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!